Danny. I'm going to present about cats. Cats are the most popular pets in the world. They are quiet and friendly. A young cat is called a kitten. Kittens are playful. Cats are extremely fast, but only over short distances. Cats are carnivores. They hunt mice and sometimes bears. They also eat insects. The shape of the body changes when a cat is happy and relaxed, or when it is angry. Look at their ears and tail. That is the end of my presentation.